Hey, Greg, let me hear the horn. He got a train horn on his motorcycle. Okay, throttle sounds good. But he's going a little deep into those turns. It's going to catch up to him. Good, good. Very good. Very good. Oh yeah, he's loosening it up nicely. Okay. That's why I love a motorcycle that's loud like that. I can hear his throttle constant the whole time. Beautiful. Good. Good.
Like a lot.
Exactly. Third time the charm. Let's go, Greg. You're not looking over there, but it's getting better. You're not looking at that cone. As soon as you go to turn, snap your head, look at that cone, but it's getting better already. That's about 20 feet. That's good. There you go. Keep looking that way. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Good. Very good. Figure 8. He's got plenty of power. This thing is nice. Good. Pick your head up right here. Beautiful. Turn your head. I'm coming through the gate, looking where I want to go. Turning my head, looking at the next cones. Looking at the next cone. Looking at the next cone. Looking at the next cone. I'm keeping the throttle high because I'm not used to his friction zone. But I don't want to deviate far from it. Good, very good. Good. Come over here. Good, beautiful. Look at the next cones. Good. Look at the next cones. Beautiful. Look at the next cone. Good. It's coming together. It's coming together. You're coming in from too much of an angle. You're not going home until you get this.
I don't know. I gotta go home.
Look at the next one. He's looking, there we go. He's looking right at the cone. But he's straight up and down. Gotta lean the motorcycle. Very good, very good. And this this right here is clutch. This is friction zone control at its best. All right, let me go get wide. 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 Want to make wide turns doing this. Turn your head. Outside cone, not the inside cone. That way you have more room to make that turn nice and wide. Good, Jorge. Looking at those cones. Look that way. That's not your cone. Greg, you can't stop staring at my cones. You're infatuated. Greg said they're good-looking cones. He doesn't know that these cones are underage. It's inappropriate.
I think I killed that one.
Yeah, you did. You murdered that.
I got it.
That one's over there. Just so you know, these cones are underage, so that's inappropriate.
So what should I mean, where should I be looking, really?
You should be looking right here, because this is where you want to go. You look where you want to go. Your peripheral vision will pick up the cones. You already know where the cones are. There you go. Turn the handlebars. That's perfect. The only thing that messed up was your balance. That's perfect. Do that again. You're going that way. Don't look at me. Look over there. Don't hit me. Reload. Turn. Good. Good. There we go. Perfect. All right, we'll do some right turns now. Beautiful. Okay. Good, good. Beautiful. Outstanding. I want to see him do left turns because he might. Woo! Okay.
I'm trying that cheek.
Reload. Beautiful. All right. I saw Al came to a stop over there, and as soon as he stopped, he went like this. You're always covering the rear brake, because when you're stopped, your motorcycle sometimes has a tendency to move backwards or forward. That's why you're always covering the rear brake. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to preload and keep it loaded. Listen to that damn thing. He got a subwoofer on the side of his motorcycle. I forgot to talk to you guys about that. He's got a subwoofer on the side of his motorcycle. I have to hear how this motorcycle sounds, the music and the horns. I mean, it's just, And that's a whole nother level. As soon as he gets off the phone, I definitely want to hear all of these things, man.